In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Roblox notifications on your iPhone. It's really simple. You're going to want to go to the More tab and you're going to want to tap on Settings. From here, you're going to see the Notifications tab. We're going to tap on that and it's going to take you to this window and it says you don't have iOS notifications turned on. We're going to tap on Enable and you'll see would you like to send notifications. We're going to tap Allow and from there, you'll see Push Notifications. You have all these different options. You've got Roblox community events, party invitation, community announcements, all these different ones. Also, if somebody decides to chat with you, if you get a friend request, any of those. And if we go to settings and scroll down to notifications and we go to Roblox here, you can see it is all turned on, but this is another way to turn on the notifications. You can turn it off here, or you can turn it off within the Roblox app. And as you can see, I turned off the notifications again. And when we go back to the Roblox app, it'll once again say you don't have it active. So it 100% works. You won't be stuck with these on. But there are two ways of doing this. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.